Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find your Windows product key. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my laptop, and first of all, I'm going to go to my search menu and we have to search for registry editor. Just type in registry editor and you have to open this. On yes, and after that we're going to go to the Hikey local machine. This one, go to this menu. You're going to double click on it and you are going to select the software. Okay, this one, and in the software we need to go to the Microsoft. Open the Microsoft and then go to the Windows NT. You can scroll down to find the Windows NT. This one, double click on it and select the current version. Okay, and then you are going to select the software protection platform. Oops, wait guys. Okay, this one guys, software protection platform. Double click on it and here you'll be able to find your Windows product key, and this is mine guys. This is my Windows product key. Alright guys, and that's all the way to find Windows product key. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.